If you've ever felt alone in a crowded room, wondering what's wrong with me, stop, because what you're about to discover will change everything. Science reveals that people with no friends aren't broken. They possess 5 rare psychological traits most humans will never understand. And the 5th one? It might finally explain your entire life. Number 1. High standards for connection. They have unusually high standards for meaningful connection. People without friends aren't avoiding relationships, they're avoiding shallow ones. And the truth is simple. Sitting alone feels better than pretending to care about conversations that lead nowhere. Psychology shows that deeper thinkers prefer quality over quantity. They can't tolerate small talk, performative friendships, or energy-draining personalities. So instead of collecting people for the sake of not being alone, they wait for something real, because one genuine friend is worth more than 100 empty ones. Number 2. Need more recovery time, social energy. Their brain needs significantly more recovery time. Some people have a highly sensitive nervous system, which makes social situations drain them faster than others. After interacting, their mind doesn't just feel tired. It feels completely depleted. This isn't antisocial behavior. It's how their brain processes social input. They absorb more, think more, and feel more in every interaction. So that quiet time alone isn't isolation. It's how they restore themselves. Number 3. Strong independence and self-sufficiency. They're remarkably self-sufficient. People with no friends often don't rely on external validation. Psychology calls this autonomous contentment, finding peace and stability from within. While many people panic in solitude, constantly seeking distraction, these individuals built an inner world strong enough to stand on its own. Loneliness becomes a choice, not a weakness. They've learned to enjoy their own company, a rare strength most people never develop. Number 4. Past experiences shaped their trust threshold. Their past made them cautious. Many people with few friends share a common history, betrayal, neglect, or toxic relationships that taught them difficult lessons. Psychology shows that repeated pain doesn't stop people from trusting. It simply makes them selective. This isn't trust issues. It's wisdom formed by experience. They still want connection, but they protect their inner world until they feel truly safe. They're not broken. They're evolved. Number 5. Deeper inner world. They have a rich inner world that sets them apart. People who spend more time alone develop stronger self-awareness, sharper intuition, and deeper emotional understanding. They don't just see people, they notice patterns, motivations, and hidden emotions most miss. This psychological depth makes surface-level friendships feel empty. It's hard to enjoy conversations about nothing when your mind naturally looks for meaning. If you have few or no friends, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It may simply mean you think deeper, feel deeper, and expect more from the people around you. Your solitude isn't emptiness, it's selectivity. Your silence isn't weakness, it's strength. Sometimes the people with the strongest minds walk alone, not because no one wants them, but because they refuse to settle for temporary companionship. If this video made you feel seen, subscribe now. The next one might reveal the peace you've been searching for.